Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love the versatility of this shawl from Moss Rose.
Moss Rose has made this beautiful poncho style cape or shawl, and the best part about it is that it is reversible. So it has this beautiful black with tan stripes on one side and a tan with black stripes on the other side, which this is the perfect coloring to go with any outfit. It is the nice neutral colors, and this thing is so incredibly soft. You are going to want to wear every outfit with it. I love that even though it's reversible, each side comes with this great little strap so that you can tuck part of the shawl into it, so you have a great little cinched together silhouette. But you can also wear it just draped or even tie it like a scarf. It is literally the perfect thing to add to your wardrobe. It is going to go with every single outfit you're going to wear all fall and winter. Whether you pair it with jeans and boots or a skirt or even a dress, it literally is the perfect item to pull every outfit together. I have gotten nothing but compliments on this shawl, and it is the perfect staple item to have in your closet.
So take my word for it, you're gonna want to add this to your wardrobe. It is such a perfect staple piece, and that is my point of view.